Okay. Okay. Here. Wait a minute. Watch Angela. This is so funny. She says, "Yeah, right. Yeah, right. That's funny." Takes her breath away, but she thinks it's.
Ready? She got the tightest little stomach.
She does. I know. I got her a while ago do her chin-ups for her.
Are you ready?
Yeah, do that. What's that? Look at that strong little booger. Look at her. Look at her. Golly.
That's what Kay said. Kay said she reminds me so much of Taylor when Taylor was that little.
Wow.
Because Taylor could do all that stuff.
Oh.
Really. Easy Weppy. And her personality. Or if Nikki was a happy baby like that too.
Joey pushing.
She already starts.
Hold it in the air and see if she reaches it, how far she reaches it.
Oh, she thought you were gonna do it again. Get it. Get it. Oh. Get it.
Ainsley, what mommy doing?
Oh, you got it.
Ainsley.
You got it.
Ainsley. Ainsley, Kai. What you doing?
I told her, I said, I need to sit like that all the time. With my head up, my feet up, strengthen my stomach muscles.
Grab me beat.
Before you,
We can do this.
Before you took it off, I showed Michael and he said, I haven't seen this. Look at you. Look at you.
Oh boy.
Get up and crawl. Cartoon Nana. Cartoon Nana. Come on. Ah. Get them legs up there. Get them legs up there. Get them legs up there. Come on. Oh, you have to move your arms first. Not your butt. You got to move your arms first. Get your arms up. Okay. Don't let go of the blanket. Okay. Ready? This arm. Oh, Mama forgot to do the leg. This one. This one. Yay, you made me, Tanana. Yay, you little stiff booger. Here, put your arms in my. All right, ready? Lift. Oh. Lift. Oh. Lift.
Then I could do a workout.
Oh.
But here's the cat.
Oh. Give me these hands. Give me these hands. Give me these hands.
She's like, no.
Here we go. Go to swing. Go to swing. Go to swing. Go to swing.
Go on your sides and with your mouth and your chin and go. You gotta do it like this. Ready? Say, Mommy called Nana and I was laughing when last time I did it.
She ate you up.
She's gonna eat you up.
Have to work so hard to make
She's
one
gonna
laugh.
eat you up. There. Ooh.
Get your honey.
I'm gonna get you.